Hi, how are you? Today our topic is about identifying soft trends. Each nation with a substantial IT industry has a set of unique characteristics that define the manner in which business is conducted. The organizational dynamics that arise within a company, the distinct marketing issues that apply to local customers, and the overriding culture that dictates all human interaction. However, some trends in each of these areas are universal and have as much to do with psychology, anthropology, and group psychology, often referred to as the soft sciences, as they do with academic or industrial research. Connectivity and collaboration enabled by high bandwidth communication has already led to software teams that do not occupy the same physical space, commuting and part-time employment in a local context. One team collaborates with other teams that are separated by time zones, primary language, and culture. Software engineering must respond with an overreaching process model for distributed teams that is agile enough to meet the demands of immediacy but disciplined enough to coordinate disparate groups. Globalization leads to a diverse workforce in terms of language, culture, problem resolution, management, philosophy, communication, priorities, and person to person interaction. This is turn demands a flexible organizational structure. Different teams in different countries must respond to engineering engineering problems in a way that best accommodates their unique needs while at the same time fostering a level of uniformity that allows an overall global project to proceed. This type of organization suggests favor level of management and a greater emphasis on team level decision making. It can lead to greater equality, but only if communication mechanisms have been established so that every team can understand project and technical status via networked groupware at any time. Software engineering methods and tools can help achieve some level of uniformity and team speaks the same language implemented through specific methods and tools. Software process can provide the framework for the instantiation of these methods and tools. In some world regional, the United States and European situation in egging, this undesirable demographic and cultural trends implies that many experienced software engineers and managers will be leaving the field over the coming decade. The software engineering community must respond over via mechanism that capture the knowledge of these aging managers and technologists. The use of patterns is a step in the right direction so that it will be available to future generations of software workers. In other regions of the world, the number of the young people available to the software industry is exploding. These providers an opportunity to mold a software engineering culture without the burden of 50 years of the old school prediction. It is estimated that over 1 billion new customers will enter the worldwide marketplace over the next decade. Consumer spending in emerging economic will grow to over 12 trillion in 10 years. There is a little doubt that a percent of this spending will be horizon which came first. Now topic is going to be closed. We will meet in our next video. Allah Hafiz.